Digital technologies impact almost everything we do, from our daily communications and the way we gather news and learn about global events, through online shopping to innovation that improves our quality of life.
Today we stand here in Sofia not just to celebrate that we have had 6 months of successes, thanks to the Bulgarian presidency, thanks to all, but also to prepare for the future. And the future, it's digital for Europe, that's for sure. And united, we stand strong.
That's why I'm very happy that the digital agenda for the Western Balkans is not just a document that we are going to present today. It is proof of our commitment to digital cooperation that we will have to achieve together on an equal footing.
Through the digital agenda, we're actually trying to provide our citizens with much better services. And the new ICT technologies will allow us. So bringing much better, faster and cheaper services to the citizens through the usage of the new ICT technologies.
We had a separate meeting today. The afternoon was basically about our organizational issues, how to promote the idea of Code Week and coding among schools. There's this challenge for us to have 50% of schools involved by 2020.
And I think it's a very important event to get more information about what's going on in Brussels in terms of digital regulation, digital policies.